I came here to Shangri-La and did a video of an apartment that's $380 a month, and it's on the end of the building with a couple of windows. And a few viewers asked me to show what's available at lower prices. And it just so happens that here at Shangri-La, there is an apartment. It's an interior unit. It doesn't have outside windows, but it's available for $300 a month, and it's about the same size. It's quite nicely appointed. And so today we'll walk through and show that apartment. Let's go take a look. So as you enter the apartment, it has a washing machine straight in, and they're going to put a drying rack above that. And then there's a bathroom here. It's got a nice diffused glass door on it. And as you go into the bathroom around the other side of the door, is your shower area. And it has a window out to the hallway that gives a little bit of ventilation. And going back out into the main unit. It's just the same size almost as the more expensive unit, but you can see that it has a window out to the hallway here. And then it has a sofa and the same large bed. Again, very nicely appointed with the woodwork. There's a desk for working. If you're a teacher, you could do your teaching there. It's very quiet in this unit. There's no street noise. A nice little dining area and quite a nice TV area, although it's a little bit far back from the bed where you might sit to view it. But you can move the sofa around and use it, and even put that sofa right in front of the bed if you wanted. The kitchen is kind of hidden away. It's back here. And it's got a window also, and that window goes out to a stairwell that is open to the air up at the roof level. So you'll get some fresh air in there, and also it's good for ventilating kitchen smells when you're cooking. And it's a nice little kitchen. It's an efficiency kitchen, but it's got everything you need. And just like the other apartment, it has a 2-burner cooktop, which I really like. Boy, if I were living here, I'd be making pasta and sauce, because that's what it seems like it's set up to do. So that's this unit. And I won't go and do the outside and the parking. You can go back and look at the other video. I'll put a link to that. And they're going to put some tables and chairs up on the roof. This is a brand new building, so they haven't done that yet. But that will be done probably within a week or so. The owner was here to open this apartment for me to come in and see. And he told me that they're putting a coffee shop in downstairs and also a massage spa on the second floor. So this building will have quite a nice package of amenities when it's all done. And so this is located right near the beach. It's $300 a month. It's 35 square meters, same size as the other unit that I showed, just a little bit different layout. And of course it's cheaper because it's an interior apartment without any outside facing windows, but that also makes it nice and quiet. Thanks for watching, and to keep up to date with this channel, please subscribe.